Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link and unlink clips in DaVinci Resolve 21. So what do you mean when two clips are linked? I'm sure you've already experienced this if you've done some light editing already. For example, I load this clip into the timeline. As you can see, there's a chain icon at the bottom left of the audio and video preview. So if I make any changes to the video, the audio will follow and vice versa. If I move it around, it's going to be tied together. If I make some cuts, as you can see, it's also tied together. So if I want to change this, what I would have to do is I would want to select the clip by left clicking it in my timeline, right clicking it, and then clicking on link clips. So anytime you have linked clips and you click on that, it should unlink. You should be able to move it independently of one another. This is really useful if you're trying to sync audio, for example, and it just makes it a lot easier to work with multiple video clips with multiple video files. On the other hand, if you already have like, let's say a few clips in your timeline like so, then you want to preserve the structure, you can go ahead and select them by left clicking on an empty space in your timeline, right clicking it, and then clicking on link clips. So as you can see, even if I adjust or move this second clip in the timeline, the first clip and the first set of audio will also get moved. And that's another way of keeping your timeline pretty neat. So if you've already finished editing a portion and just want to move it around, that's one quick way to do it. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.